We walked for so long through silence and smoke, through words that were hiding the faces we know. But after the darkness, the morning will rise, and lies grow too tired to stand guard at the door. All the walls that kept us divided now are shaking, truth has arrived. Truth is rising slowly to the light. Webs of lies are fading out of sight. When our fear finally lets us go, we will be free like never before. There will come a day with no dark shadows, only peace and light between us all. No more hiding behind borrowed words, no more fighting for what is real. When our hearts speak loud without fear or masks, the world will remember what light can reveal. What was built upon fear will crumble, and no one can silence the truth. Truth is rising slowly to the light. Webs of lies are fading out of sight. When our fear finally lets us go, we will be free like never before. There will come a day with no dark shadows, only peace and light between us all. And when the last of the lies fall quiet, we will see we were never far. Not enemies, only lost in the night, with living light inside our hearts. Fun is rising slowly to the light, and a brand new morning comes in sight. No more walls, no fear, no war, just free souls beneath one sky. In this world there will be space for everyone, where peace and light forever shine.